Hello everyone, my name is Ana Clara Valle Lopes and this video is addressed to Drive 495 for the internship in New York. And today we're going to be doing a kettlebell swing. This is Marcela. She's going to be helping me out and that's it. I hope you guys enjoy it. So we're going to start doing the swing movements with the band. So first of all, what you're going to do is put the band in between your legs. You're going to step a little bit forward just to stretch the band, and then you're going to let it pull your hips back. So it's going to pull your hips back, and then you're going to come back up. Pull your hips back, come back up, and exhale, okay? Neutral spine at all times. Your turn. So, just grab the band and put it in between your legs. Yeah, come a little bit forward. Step forward. One more time. There you go. So you're gonna let the band pull your hips back. Yeah, neutral spine. Yeah, and then come back up. Okay. So what you need to do is bend your knees a little bit. Just bend your knees while your hips are being pulled back. So you're gonna bend. Just unlock the joint. Yeah. And now come back up. Yeah. Just unlock the joint. Go back and come back up. Go back and come back up. Okay, so now as you come back up, as you drive your hips forward, you're gonna let your thigh tight, your butt tight, and your abs tight. Okay? And you're gonna exhale with power. Okay? Go back. Come back up. Go back. Come back up. Yeah. It was just like there was a line here in your chest and a line in your belly button. And you needed that to get closer. You needed them to get closer. So you're gonna exhale as it's gonna be closer and closer and closer, but your spine is still neutral. Okay, so you need to get your abs tight. So let's go again. Go back, come back up. Good, go back, come back up. Butt tight, go back, come back up. Alright. So now we're going to do it with the kettlebell. So the start position is just the way you are. The kettlebell needs to be a little bit forward than your foot, okay, than your feet actually, okay? So the kettlebell weight will do the same thing, the same resistance as the band did. So it's going to pull your hips back and you need to drive it forward with power so it's going to come back up. The kettlebell is going to come back up, okay? You can do it. Let's see. Yeah. Yes. No arms. Just hips power. Yep. Abs tight. Thigh tight. Yep. Exhale. Yep. 5 more times. 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So just one thing. When you finish, don't let it just be hanging over here. Okay. Just put it back down on the ground. So grab it again. Let's do 5 more swings, and then when you're done, you just leave it on the ground. Okay. Start from the bottom. Yeah. Pull it back, and now hips up. Yeah. Up. 3, 2, 1. Put it on the ground. Yep. There we go. Hi guys, thank you for watching and thank you Marcela for helping me out. This was a demonstration of the kettlebell swing. I hope you guys have enjoyed it and see you soon. Bye bye.